Sanibonani, grade 12. Sibuyile futhi with lo we-Maths and Sciences. Okay, namhlanje njengamanje sizoqala i-Agricultural Sciences yakwa-grade 12. Siqala i-Agricultural Sciences yakwa-grade 12. Okay, so this is just an introduction. Okay, yeah. Ayikho indlela mhlawumbe like i-simple engayichaza ngayo i-agriculture ukuthi iyini, but i-agriculture i-composer of i-biology, i-chemistry, i-maths, physical sciences, that is, well, chemistry. You find the soil science, yabo lapho, you find applications, you find economics, business studies, some accounting, kuningi when it comes to agricultural sciences. Okay. So kuleya grade 12 sinama chapters esifocus kuwona. By the way, incwadi engiyisebenzisa, it's Mind the Gap, of which yeah, there are some documents engiwatholile ebese ngikhohlwe ukuthi nginawo. Okunye futhi okubalulekile, guys, if ukuthi incwadi onayo ayikusebenzeli, thenga i-study guide, download ama-past question papers nama-memo akhona, test yourself ngaso sonke isikhathi emaphepheni, uzibone ukuthi okangakanani. Zama u-question 1, uyazi u-question 101, so-right ngo-question 1, maybe u-5 or 4 or 3, ungene kwenye i-question kanjalo kanjalo, uzuze uwabambe wonke ama-chapter, paper 1 no paper 2. All right. So kwi-agriculture grade 12, into esifocus kuyona i-animal nutrition, singene kwi-animal production, then there's i-animal reproduction. So okwamanje iwona ama-topics engizowabala lawo ne. Yeah, okwamanje iwona ama-topics engizowabala, but ngicela ukuthi ngingene kakhulu la ku-animal nutrition. So vele uyazi nami khona into ene-nutrition, obviously like into enokudla, umsoco, impilo nje thizeni, yabona, healthy, yabo zonke lezo zinto ezikanjalo nje ukuthi like uyadla khona into engenayo kuwena, umsoco, yabo yonke leyo into leyo. Yeah. Udla ngendlela efanele, umuzwa nje mkhulu ku-malnutrition, kuney'ndawo uthola ukuthi, hey, kuthiwa khona abantu abashawe i-malnutrition kanjani, abanye bashonile, yabo ngenxa yokuthi abadli. Yonke leyo into enokwenza nokudla, indlela kudliwa ngayo, ukuthi izinto ey'dliwayo zinani, yabona isiza ngani emzimbeni. Obviously, uma ungazithola zonke lezo zinto ushawa malnutrition. Okay, so i-nutrition esifocus-e kuyona ka-grade 11 kwi-life sciences ufocus-e kweyomuntu, i-human nutrition, njengami. Manje sesifocus-e ey'lwaneni. Mase sizilwane specifically sikhuluma ngey'nkomo, iy'mbuzi, amahhashi, iy'nkukhu, lezo y'lwane ozithola kini egcekeni or eplazini. Okay, sifocus-a kwi-structure se-alimentary canal. Uzoyibona ukuthi alimentary canal yini uma ukuthi uyakubala kulezo legama. Sifocus-e kwi-digestion, non-ruminants versus ama-ruminants. Uzobona ukuthi yini ama-ruminants, yini ama-non-ruminants. Ama-components of feeds, ama-types and subdivisions of feeds, i-digestibility of feeds, calculations in the animal nutrition, the quality of feeds. There's something called a feed flow program, or fodder flow. Right. So ngizongena kubani ku-animal nutrition okwamanje, but it's fine. Siphinde futhi sibe ne-animal production. Kwi-animal production uno-intensive ne-extensive farming, umehluko, kunomehluko phakathi kwalezi zinto zombili. Ube ne-animal shelter, production ne-housing, ube ne-behavior and handling of ama-farm animals, ube nama-diseases, aku-virally, bacterially, protozoan, fungal, and then ube nama-parasites, external na-internal, angaphandle nangaphakathi. I-plant and other poisoning, shave like poisoning ey'tshalweni or yabo plants. and the role of the states in animal protection. So makhulunywa nge-states, ekhulunywa like government, sek-involve ama-laws athize, yabo, legislation nje, ama-laws, ama-acts, imithetho ethize evikela ini iy'lwane. Like ukuthi i-state sethu, i-Gauteng idlala which part, yabona, ekuprotect-eni iy'lwane, ithini yona ngokuprotect-wa kwey'lwane nendlela ezihilishwa ngayo, yabo, isivikela kanjani. Okay, so sesijump in so that sizobona i-terminology. By the way, again, incwadi engiyisebenzisa i-Mind the Gap. Just download the Mind the Gap. If uthi nayo i-handbook kuzoba lula. Sorry, i-hard copy. Good. So bengifuna something inama-pictures, but this is a structure yani i-alimentary canal. Uma sikhuluma alimentary canal, siqala la emlonyeni wakho, sibale amazinyo akho, ulimi, umphimbo wakho, uhambe njalo uze kufike esiswini, sibale isisu sakho, sibale amathumbu, sibale amathumbu amancane namakhulu, siyawakhona la siwahlukanisa khona, nokuthi enzani ngaphakathi, nokuthi amiswe kanjani, ngoba awafani nekoma-living organisms. Lawo ama-animals nasebantwini, fine, akufani. Kuze kuyophuma njalo ezilaphi eziphumeni ngemuva, nokuthi yini koyikhiphayo, khona okufakayo ngesikhathi udla uzuze uyonjani uyokhipha, right? Alimentary canal ayifani ey'lwaneni, njengoba ingafani phakathi kwesilwane nomuntu, ingafani exactly. Okay, so compare and understand the external structure of the ruminant non-ruminant stomach. Okay, ingaphandle i-structure sani sengaphandle lesisu phakathi kuma-ruminants nama-non-ruminants. Okay, so singena kwi-terminology ke la. Angeke ngize ngishaye yonke because this is just introduction. Okay, sisazongena kahle phakathi. Okay, so une-abomasum, right? I-abomasum iyingxenye yesisu se-ruminant. Angifuni ukuthi uthi siyingxenye yesisu yenkomo or ingxenye yesisu sembuzi. No, ese-ruminant. Ngiyangizwa? Ese-ruminant, right? Okay, and then i-anus, i-end of i-digestive system, ila kuphela khona i-digestive system, la ukhipha khona wena ngesikhathi uyale endlini encane uyokhipha khona, ukhipha kuphi? Kwinto ebizwa ngokuthi i-anus, la phuma khona ibizwa kuthiwa i-anus. Okay, and then ube ne-cardiac sphincter. It's a ring muscle controlling the movement of food into the stomach. I-cardiac sphincter, ngizothini? Angithi unepayipi elisuka la lihambisa ukudla, lehlisa ukudla la kuze kongena esiswini. So makuthiwa i-ring muscle, ku-like into ehlukanisa yona le pipe elihambisa ukudla nala kuqala khona isisu, yabona? So si-control ngizothini? Kuyimasele eliyi-ring kuyona le pipe la, right? Libizwa nge-esophagus, la kuhamba khona ukudla kwakho. So kunephathinyana uzobona ngesikhathi sisenza ama-structures cause azovela. Kunephathinyana before nje ufike esiswini ungakayiqedi futhi nani i-esophagus. Le phathi-ke le i-controla i-movement yani yokudla ngesikhathi kuzongena kuphi? Esiswini. U-cardiac bani sphincter, right? Okay, so i-cecum, okay, formed where small intestines moves into the large intestines. Okay, njengoba ibala small intestines no large intestines, isho ukuthi mayithi formed, isho ukuthi yakheka la ama-small intestines esihlukana khona nama-large intestines. Kuma-small intestines ukubona enkukhwini, angithi ngesikhathi uhlinza inkukhu ukuthi niyawathosa, yabo, kungabi nalutho. Bese kuba khona la bezothi khona, hayi, mhlambe walahle lawa, yabo, bathi, hayi, hamba walahla lawo uwagqibe or ngale ndlela enodisposa ngayo. Mese uyabuza ukuthi, hawu, ngoba mase kuthiwa lawa ngcolile, okay? Iseyikamiki lapho-ke la khona la kuzohlukana khona ama-small intestines nani nama-large intestines, la sekuzoqala khona ukwakheka khona ama-large intestines, but ama-diagrams azokuveza kahle lokhu ukuthi, yabo, kwenzakala njani. Okay, bese ukuthi la i-cloaca, i-excretion of ama-feces and i-urine, urogenital opening and eggs. Okay, le uzoyibona kakhulu kuphi? Enkukhwini, right? Meyikhuluma ngani ngama-eggs, uzoyibona kakhulu mase sesikhuluma ngenkukhu. And then i-crop, same thing, uzoyibona kakhulu masikhuluma ngey'nkukhu or ama-fowls. Igama eli-right ukulisebenzisa ukuthi uthi it's a fowl, ngeke uthi it's a chicken, uzothi it's a fowl. Same thing nala ngenhla, uthini? Uthi it's a ruminant, ungathi it's a cow or a goat. Uzobamba lapho, okay? Alright. So, makuthiwa four or complex stomachs, kubalwa isisu se-ruminant, ne? Isisu se-ruminant esiphelele, isisu esisodwa. Yes, i-ruminant inesisu esisodwa esihlukene kawu-4, esinama-compartments amangaki? Awu-4, right? La yes babhala ukuthi angaki? Awu-3. This is because, okay, so buyela la ngemuva, but uzobona kahle as isifundo. Ahlukene kawu-4, yabona bebhale 4, ahlukene kawu-4 ama-compartments aso. Isisu sisodwa sihlukene kawu-4. Une-rumen, une-reticulum, une-omasum, bese uba nalesi sibizwa nge-abomasum. Kuhlukene kawu-4, indlu eyodwa enezindlu eziwu-4, okay? Right. I-abomasum-ke ilesi sesi-4. See-through milk stomach of any ruminant. Into eyenza ukuthi bathi true stomach or bathi milk, ingoba isona lesisu lesi esifunctiona njengalesi sakho wena njengoba uwumuntu. Yabona, uma kuqhamuka i-question ekubuza ukuthi phakathi kwakho muntu, yabona, mhlampe nesilwane esiyi-ruminant, banga-specify but bathi isilwane esiyi-ruminant, isona siphi isisu esiswini sakhe, isona siphi, iyona yiphi i-compartment esiswini sayo i-ruminant ifana nesisu sakho, uzobe usuthini? I-abomasum, yabo. Njengoba bebhala u-milk stomach futhi ey'lwaneni ezisencane nezisuke zisancela lezi eziyama-ruminant. Ngizothini? Ngesikhathi zizalwa, le phathi le compartment le isuke inkulu kakhulu kuzona ngoba zisuka zincela ubisi kuphela, like kusuke ungena ubisi kuphela, so lisuke liyongena khona. I-volume yayo, usize wayo usuke umkhulu, right? So and ingaphakathi layo liyashiblika, plus inama-gastric juices, ukuze wena kukhulunywa ngo-hydrochloric acid, kuthiwa une-hydrochloric acid eswini, kuthiwa unama-enzymes, kuthiwa unama-fluids athize, right? Same thing-ke nakwi-abomasum. Abomasum iyi-compartment efana njengalesisu sakho wena muntu onaso, okay? So ungasho ukuthi nawe isisu sakho si-abomasum, but-ke asisibize kanjalo, alright? Then wena muntu nezinye iy'lwane eziyama-non-ruminants, aninawo nina lama-compartments la kwi-rumen, i-reticulum, ne-omasum, awunawo wena. Uma kini kuzothiwa kuhlatshiwe mhlambe kunale, kuye kuthiwa inyama yangaphakathi, abantu basho njalo beke bathi inyama yangaphakathi, okay? Kuba khona le eyithawula, kube khona le eyibhayibheli, uyabona ngokuhlukana kwazo, uyazazi-ke wena ukuthi zihlukana kanjani. Yikona-ke konke-ke lokhu, ama-compartments, akuzona izisu, isisu esisodwa esinazo zonke lezi zinto lezi ezihlukahlukene, okay? it's not supposed to be four stomachs. It's supposed to be a stomach with four compartments. Okay. Sometimes ungaba confused, but it's safe ukuthi a stomach esisodwa that has four compartments or four, as in FORE, a four stomach. FORE, not lo four lo we number. Okay. Okay. Sharp. And then i-gizzard kuthiwe i-gizzard um oh okay. So I'm not really sure esiZulwini ukuthi ikona kuphi okuyingila, ikona kuphi, angikho sure. Angikho sure esiZulwini, isiqotho anginaso. Angijwayele ukudla inyama yenkukhu, angithandisisi ingaphakathi layo-ke nje bandla, sorry. Hey, so yeah, i-crop cishe ngaweqa is a soft bag-like enlargement in the esophagus of ifowl. Nayo-ke sisazoyibona, ngizoyichaza kahle mase sesiyibona, and then mase ukuthi i-gizzard, mina I've always thought ukuthi i-gizzard ne-crop into eyi-one. I think, okay, double check with ezinye iy'ncwadi. I think i-gizzard ne-crop, like they're supposed to be one and the same thing, but then I will check. And if now ufunda i-agricultural sciences, and unayo incwadi, you can like check ukuthi yakhe incwadi ime kanjani. Okay, ngisazosebenzisa ezinye iy'ncwadi just to check. Okay, but i-ventriculus inama-muscles ngaphakathi kwi-stomach sayo, nama-small stones to help with indigestion, grinding of indigested food. So kunamatshe ngaphakathi, ne? Inama-walls, i-stomach sakhona sinama-walls, anama-muscles ngaphakathi namatshe, right? Uma uhlinza inkukhu yekubona ukuthi la kwi-alimentary canal yayo unale parts leyo mase suyihlinza ibe ngazuthi inamatshe, or muyivula muyidabula laphaya leya part leya kube ngazuthi inolayini thizeni abaqinile, ngingakusho njalo, ngazuthi like baqinile mase suyigezile ngathi kuba mhloshanyana, but then inolayini. Okay, that is i-ventriculus. That is i-ventriculus. Inama-walls aqinile. But again, so double checker with ezinye iy'ncwadi because we don't want to make mistakes. We don't want to make mistakes. Yeah. All right. So again, if unayo incwadi uzokwazi ukuthi uyifunde yonke lento because iningi. All right, cool. So because sengitshelele ukuthi ruminant ile enesisu esinjani. Now, animals that have a complex stomach anesisu esisodwa esiyisixakaxaka, okusho ukuthini sihlukene kawu-4. Yabona, sihlukene kawu-4, si-divided ngani kawu-4. It's a stomach, indlu enamakamera kawu-4, ne? Yeah. Ama-examples akhona iy'nkomo, imbuzi, ney'klabhu. Okay. Yeah, ilezo. Okay. And then la monogastric animals or non-ruminants, animals that have a simple stomach, isisu nje simple esiqondile, kusuka kwi-esophagus kuziyela kusona one way, kuphume kusheshe. Yabona, nje kuthi once uphume kusheshe, njengawe-ke muntu wena naloya esophagus, leya mpompo nje ufaka ukudla esiswini, isisu sakho wena singaka, sila kuwena, right, singaka, koziphumele. Ngisho kuthiwa uyahlinzwa kuzothathwa sona nje sodwa kuqediwe, kanti ukubona emakuhlinzwa inkomo iphendule ngoba iningi lanto, inkulu leyanto, iphendule ngesisu nje esisodwa kuwukuthi sinama-parts amaningi ahlukahlukene. Okay, esophagus bese ngiyishilo, njengoba kubhala uGallets la, so I think maybe yiyo le eyingila. ne? Loko kuwumqala, like uma bekhuluma ngey'ngilo bakhuluma ngomqala, ne? So I think yiyo-ke. But nje iLimpopo uhambisa ukudla kwakho la ngesikhathi ukudla nje lokwehlisayo, okay? Tube-like structure that leads from the back of the throat with pharynx to the stomach. And then the is a leaf stomach, leaf shaped. It is the third and smallest stomach of a ruminant. Okay, i-omasum elinye enye ama-compartments alesisu senkomo or sembuzi or sesikabhu se-ruminant. Okay, ise-ruminant. Eyesithathu, ne? Eyesithathu. Imise okwelifu mabethi inama-folds, like mawucabanga ilifu nje, kuma kwelifu mhlawumbe uthatha iqabunga nje likhulu ulibuke, then mhlawumbe ungathola ukuthi kune-resemblance nyana, yabo, mhlawumbe makuhlinzwa kini bese uyayivula and check, izoba naleyo resemblance, yabona, ye-leaves, but then kube ngathi kunokugoqana okuthize okukhona lapho ngaphakathi, yabo. Okay. And then i-pyloric sphincter ekhumula sifunde ngo-cardiac ngenhla usathi phezulu, then u-pyloric ungenzansi, right? Now uyi-ring muscle kodwa yona i-control i-digested food lengena kuphi-ke kuma-small intestines. Lo sekuqaleni siyangena eswini, kulo sesiyaphuma eswini sesiya kuma-small intestines, yabo? Yeah, it's like umnyango ongenhla, umnyango ongenzansi. Lo ngenhla u-cardiac, lo ngenzansi u-pyloric. Okay, ube i-proventriculus, nakhona babhale true stomach, ikwi-fowl. I-example ye-fowl i-chicken. Ngabe i-chicken kungaba idada or yeah, uyawazi ama-examples ey'lwane no, inyoni, nenyoni, yeah, nenyoni. Njengoba senza u-true, cabanga-ke laphaya kubani kwa-abomasum, shuthi sinjani, sifana nesakho. Shuthi nenkukhu inaso isitamaki esifana nesakho, noma singafani ukuba, but then ingaphakathi laso nendlela esifunctiona ngayo iyafana nayiphi nalesi sakho. Okay, alright. Ube ne-reticulum, kuthiwani i-honeycomb. Uma ukuthi indlu yey'nyosi uyayazi, kunale nyama le yangaphakathi emise okwendliyane yey'nyosi. Yabona, eyama-hexagon, hexagon ina-6 ama-sides. Okay, mabethi is the second stomach, kusho ukuthi it is the second largest ruminant. And then i-rumen, it is the largest compartment, like iyona enkulu kakhulu, ku-100% nje we-volume yesisu iyona ethatha kakhulu. Yeah, I don't remember if it's 71% or just 70%, angisakhumbuli, but then inkulu, like yiyo nje ethatha up space. I think yiyo le abantu abayike bathi ithawula, if ngikhumbula kahle, le ngazi ukuthi ithawulana, ngicabanga ukuthi yiyona, ne? Okay, and then-ke bese uthola ama-small intestines, amathumbu-ke, lawa esiwadlayo-ke, amathumbu ahlukahlukene-ke nawo awalingani. La uqala nje muqeda isisu, yabo, la kuhlukanisa khona lo, immediately nje mukuphuma esiswini kuzoqala ama-small intestines, kunalo le muscle leli. Then ama-intestines ukuqala ungenela kuwona from esiswini abizwa ngobani, ngo-duodenum, ne, isection yokuqala. Then maphakathi nendawo ezohamba nama-small intestines, eyesibili isection ibizwa ngani, nge-jejunum or jejunum, kuya ngawo ukuthi libiza kanjani. Okay, and then isection yesithathu ibizwa ngobani, ngo-ileum. Sisakuma-small intestines njalo, and then makuphela ama-small intestines usungena ngakweni kuma-large intestines. Okay, and then mase siba nento ebizwa nge-villi. Ka-grade 11, if wayenza life sciences, uyazi ukuthi yini i-villi, uyazi ukuthi yini ama-microvilli. Okay, okay. So uyakhumbula ukuthi engazi ukuthi into efika isuke kanje, like this, and then ime kanje. Yeah, I think ime kanje, like this, ne? okay? Inama-blood vessels, no lacteals, yabo konke lokho. Yeah. Um, so i-agricultural sciences imnandi, ne? Paper one mnandi. There's also a pattern ye-reproduction khona. It's the same as life sciences, but yona sikhuluma kakhulu ngezilwane. Life sciences ifocus ebantwini. There are some similarities in terms mhlambe of ama-hormones, nokunye nokunye-ke, but angeke kuze kufane exactly, especially emzimbeni. Um, mhlambe ukuthi thina as human beings sikhulelwa for like 9 months ey'lwaneni, it's not the same, ziyashiyana, okay, ziyashiyana. But okunye nokunye is the same. Animal production, nayo imnandi, imnandi nje kakhulu. Uphepha one nje be-agricultural sciences umnandi, so don't stress it, don't worry. You've got this. Yeah. But nje you've got this. So uyithwere into uyithwere into. So yeah. Nje don't worry about eating. Uzoba mnandi, uzoba right. This thing is easy as long as you have your books, you download them question papers, you listen eklasini, you take notes as uthisha echaza because okunye ngeke kubhalwe phansi. Uzokuchazela yena kanje. So you just take notes. If you find amanye ama-videos lukuwadlalile take notes, ama-notes from wona, then uzimash up, ne? Yeah, then everything will be okay. Then ke sobe sesiqala kahle-ke, sesingena kuma-structures sesizochaza kahle yabo nama-functions and everything. All right, sure.